Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim over wallet token from OKX and then transfer it back to your over wallet. So before you do this, go to Play Store, download over wallet app and OKX app. If you are using an iPhone, go to your Apple Store, download over wallet app and OKX app. When you download it, so you open it. Now I'm opening the over wallet app. This is how it looks like. You can see welcome to the testnet, OKX and over wallet. So for you to be able to link the app, you come to your setting. You can see setting there. You come to setting, you click on OKX and over wallet. You click on this. When you click on this, make sure you read the pop-up. Because I have verified my account, that is why you are seeing this. But for you that have not verified your account, you will see a procedure. Read those procedure. I'm still going to show you how you can follow those procedure, but read those procedure. When you are done with that, you move over to your OKX app. This is your OKX app. When you come to your OKX app, go to your wallet, click on wallet. If it doesn't appear like this, you click on the wallet side, you will see this screen. So you look down. Because I have created my own over wallet, I have already verified my own. That's why I've seen over wallet token here. You can see I have 0.499 token. So when you are here, you click on discover. You see this down, you click on discover down, and then you click on Cryptopedia. See Cryptopedia there. You click on it. When you click on it, you will come down. You will see over protocol. Click on over protocol. So when you click on over protocol, you will see this interface. Make sure you read every details. So you click on over protocol, this place. You click on completed. I've already completed mine, but I'm showing you what you need to do. When you click on this place, verify your identity. So you click on verify. I've already done this. So when you click on this, it will show you how you can verify your identity with the over wallet app. So you can see completed, so there is no need. So when you come here, you follow the process and you do your verification. Then when you are done with your verification, you come down and click completed. You see this down, you click completed. Over it, you see claim 10 over daily. You click on it. So it will open where you can claim your over wallet, over token. So in this place now, you see claim over daily. You click on get started. You can see claim 10 over. So all you just have to do is to claim. You click on claim. Remember, you can only claim once. You can't claim more than once in a day. So you just click on claim 10 to, you can see you got 10 over. See you tomorrow. So when you do this, then you have to go back to your wallet. So let's go back to the wallet. You just go back. Let's go back. You just go back to home. You click on home. Then you can see I have 10 tokens here. So now I'm not yet done. So you need to send this 10 token to your over wallet app. So you move over to your over wallet app. This is over wallet app. You go to your assets. Then at the upside, you will see your name and then your wallet address. You copy. You click on copy. Now I've copied it. Then I will now move over to my OKX app. Then click on over. Then you click on send. You paste the address here. And then you confirm. How many tokens do you want to send? I'm sending 10. So you click next. Confirm. You input your password. And then you confirm. You can see it's rotating here. So let's give it some time. So it will not take much time, just some seconds or minutes. The token will be sent. So it will not take much time. So you can see it has stopped. So let's go back to the app. You can see that that 10 token has left my my OKX app. You can see there's no more 10 token here. So let's go to our over wallet app. Let's refresh. You can see we have 10 over wallet token here. So that is how you can be able to claim your over wallet token from OKX on a daily basis. Remember, you can only claim this once. The following day you do the same thing again. So guys, that is all. Thank you for watching my video. If you want more video on this, subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post another video, you will be able to get a notification. Thank you and God bless you.